Hello, this is Take a Shop. Today I'll walk you through how to restore a sticking anti-skating mechanism using the Technics SL-1300MK2 as an example by cleaning and servicing the internal parts. On many older Technics turntables, the original grease deteriorates over time. When that happens, the anti-skating mechanism can become sluggish or stuck. A common symptom is that even when anti-skating is set to 0, a sideways force still pulls on the tonearm. As shown in the video, if the tonearm continues to move even with anti-skating set to 0, the cause is usually not misadjustment, but internal grease hardening and mechanical sticking. First, remove the tonearm unit. There are 3 mounting screws. 2 are hidden inside the chassis, and 1 is located under the gray cap. This cap is often brittle due to age, so do not pry it off forcefully. Lift it gently and gradually to avoid breaking it. Once removed, you can see the cam structure behind the anti-skating dial. When you rotate the dial, this cam moves a metal plate which pulls a spring connected to the tonearm mechanism. Normally, when the dial is set to 0, the plate returns and the spring tension is nearly released. But when old grease hardens, the plate no longer slides back smoothly. Remove the screws and disassemble the washer, plate, and mounting base. Keep track of the order and orientation so reassembly is straightforward later. Use cotton swabs with alcohol to carefully remove the old grease. Clean the sliding surfaces and contact points thoroughly. Any residue left behind can cause the problem to return. After cleaning, apply a small amount of fresh grease. Use only a thin layer. Too much grease or grease that is too thick will make the movement heavy and defeat the purpose. A light, even film is sufficient. Reassemble the parts in the original order. Turn the dial and confirm that the plate now moves smoothly. If it moves lightly and directly compared to before cleaning, the mechanism is functioning properly. Reinstall everything and check the result. With anti-skating set to 0, there should be no sideways force on the tonearm. If the arm stays still, the anti-skating mechanism has been successfully restored. At Take a Shop, I regularly share videos focused on the maintenance and repair of vintage Technics turntables. I also sell refurbished units and repair parts through eBay and Etsy. Please feel free to check them out. Thank you for watching.